The third category is children of central government officials, all India service officials, PSU undertaking and autonomous bodies, public sector banks, officials of statutory bodies, their children, officials of central universities and recognized research institutions of central government who have served in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir for a total period of 10 years, their children, or children of people who satisfy the conditions as prescribed in clauses A and B above, or children of such residents of Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir as reside outside the Union Territory in connection with their employment and business, but whose parents fulfill any of the conditions in clauses A and B. I have just read out, but these are all parts of the Act, as you are aware. The important thing is that today the rules have been notified, and what is most important about these rules? One, these rules provide a simple, time-bound, transparent procedure for issuance of domicile certificate in such a manner that no category of person is put to any inconvenience. How will this be achieved? One, there is a timeline of 15 days for issuance of the certificate. Two, for each category of people, there is a competent authority who is competent to issue the certificate, and there is an appellate authority. There is a time period of 15 days prescribed, after which the applicant is free to approach the appellate authority. The decision of the appellate authority shall be final upon the issuing authority, and whatever the appellate authority decides has to be complied by the issuing authority within 7 days, failing which the defaulting officer shall be liable to a penalty of 50,000 rupees recovered out of his salary. These are extremely strong and time-bound provisions. The appellate authorities have also been given revisional powers. They can either suo motu or through an application made call for records, check the legality of any proceedings, and pass appropriate orders in reference. The procedure has been made simple, it has been made time bound, and there is a provision for an appellate authority, and as I have just explained, the appellate authority has been given wide powers in revision also. Next, the rules also have a provision for the grant of domicile certificate, both the application to be submitted electronically online and the certificate to be issued and sent electronically online. So this is another modern provision which has been provided in the Act.